This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Honda Accord. This four-door sedan has a 5-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a sunroof, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, rear curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 51,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.